Hi friends, in this video we'll see the scenario. We have a date time field in my data set which consists of date and timestamp. From this date and timestamp field I want to extract only date. With the date and timestamp, one thing, we have to extract only date part out of it. We have to extract only timestamp. And how can we get the month name format? Actually we have data in this format: sale date with a YYY, DD and timestamp. In this format we need to extract only date part. One scenario. Other scenario is we have to extract date along with timestamp, and the other scenario is we have to extract only timestamp, and the other one is we need to get the month in month name format. Say for example this is October, right? We should get it in OCT in that format. If we see our data, let's see it in the ClickView application. Here we have sales data with sales date and date and time format. We have date for October and November months respectively. So here I am loading the data. We got 14 rows fetched here. Let's go to the data model viewer. We'll see it in the data model viewer. We got the sales data. Let's go to the front end sheets. See here, we'll edit the sheet, and I took the two tables. So let's see how to convert the month in this month format. If it is 10, it should display OCT. If it is 11, it should display in NOV. So what I have done is here, in the expression I have given a month name function for this date field. As date is our date field, I have given month name function. Simply using this month name function for this field, it will fetch the month and month in month format instead of in date format. So this is one part. This is for this one, how to get month name format. So this is one part. I'll show you how we can extract date with date and timestamp format now. So simply I am going here to the charts, and I am loading the table chart here, and I am going to the fields. As date is our date field, I am dragging it into our chart, adding the date field. So simply by dragging it, we are getting date and timestamp format. I have not done anything. I am not giving anything in the expression. Simply by giving sdate field itself, we are getting date and timestamp format. So now let's see how to get only date format. So I am deleting this. Let me delete this. Okay, fine. Now I will extract another table chart. Let's take the field again, date field, drag and drop, add date field, and what we'll do is we'll go to the expressions and simply we'll give date function, date of this date. We don't have any errors here. Click on apply button. Now you can see it's displaying in date format. Timestamp is not there. This is one scenario. Without timestamp, we are fetching only date part. Now we'll see how can we only extract timestamp. This is another scenario. Let's take another, let's take another table. I'm taking another table here. going to the fields and taking our date field here. I am adding the date field. Let's go to the expression. And what we have to do is take the timestamp, just a time function. We have one function, time function. Okay, by giving time to this field, we'll fetch only timestamp like this. So from this date and timestamp, it's fetching only timestamp. In this way, we can use time function to get the timestamp, date function to get only date. Simply dragging will give us date and timestamp function, and we can convert to months using this month name function. It will fetch us month and month in month format. Thank you, friends.